last week, Pioneer teased a new something. Now, we knew it was a mixer because it had the up faders there. A lot of people speculated that it was a new controller. That's what everybody said. It's going to be a new controller. Kind of looks like a controller. It's like wide, you know? But it wasn't. It wasn't a controller. This morning, they announced officially it was leaked by Brian S. Red, which, oh my God, I can't believe he leaked that. What, like, what an asshole. I can't believe he leaked it like that. No, but seriously, this morning, here it is. You ready? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, is that a color screen? Now, that was a dramatic video. Very, 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 very dramatic. The A9. The Pioneer A9, people, is here. Wow. Just wow. First of all, A9, it sounds like an Audi. And it's the size of an Audi. Look at this thing. It's humongous. It's literally like, I saw James Hype. I don't have one, obviously, but like I saw James Hype holding it up, and it was literally twice the size of him. It was insane. It's like this big. Literally like this wide. And they did that. It is cool. It's going to be the new club standard, whether you like it or not. I mean, if I'm being selfish, I prefer battle style shit. So, like, I wish the S11 would be the club standard. I mean, it has a great sound card. It's a great mixer. It's easy. Everyone knows how to use it. You know what I mean? Like, I personally, selfishly, the S11 should be the club standard, but it never will be. We just have to be realistic here. This is going to replace the 900 Nexus 2, so this is going to be the A9. If you do clubs, you're going to run into this bad boy. I like what they did with it. They upgraded a lot of things. So, like I said, it's huge. You have a lot of space on the up faders and then the EQs and stuff. A lot more space. They widen everything so it's a little bit easier to use. There's a touch screen with one of those little X pads so you can slide across to easily, adjust effects and stuff like that. They actually took away the stupid knob that the 900 always had to select what channel the effects go on, and now they have buttons, which is huge. They added buttons. So much easier. Makes it just a little bit easier with the workflow. Still not as good as like an S11 effects in my opinion, but like whatever. It is what it is. It makes it a lot easier. You don't have the knob to select because it's kind of tough, like on the fly. It's easier to hit a button than to select that knob. I've missed so many echoes because of that. They added a couple new effects. There is the microphone is phantom powered. You can do a phantom powered mic on there, which is insane. It's got dual USB, so the USBs can be USB-C or USB-B, so you could do either USBs in there, which is really, really cool. What else do they do? They got some weird, what's that shit called? I'm going to like zoom this in real quick. I forget what it's called now. I'm really going off the top of my head. I was looking at it the other day. Center lock. That's what it's called. Center lock. So center lock essentially locks the high pass, low pass filter knob here. So you can't go past the 12. So like if you put like a high pass filter on and you bring it back, it locks it on the 12. I just don't understand why. Maybe I'm just dumb. I don't know. I don't get that one, but like, cool, I guess. It's got built-in Wi-Fi, and you're going to be able to because this is meant to be a club standard, apparently there's going to be like a new program that comes out, and with this built-in Wi-Fi, the club people, like the sound people, can like remotely with an iPad control certain controls on the mixer or something. I don't know, crazy. It's got Bluetooth, which is going to be perfect in a club. People connecting their Spotify, that's going to work out great, and dual cues. So you can have a set with friends, So you see the two cues above each channel. You have two cue buttons, A and B. You can have two different sets of headphones, and you can, bring your wifey up and DJ with her or do a back-to-back set and have the same. I guess it's for back-to-back sets. I don't know. And the thing's so huge you could fit, two DJs on it. So whatever. I don't know. It's cool, though. It's cool. We're going to run into it. We got to know how to use it. So pay attention, DJs. If you're doing any kind of clubs, just pay attention. It's going to great. It's supposed to sound amazing. That's the biggest thing too. It's supposed to be like 10 times the sound of the 900. Like it's supposed to be like above and beyond sound quality, and I believe that to be true. So that's a huge thing as well. So there you go. The A9, the Audi A9. I mean the Pioneer A9.